Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check saved live videos on Instagram. We start by entering our Instagram profile. Next, click on the Settings and Activity top menu. After that, click on the Archive category. Here, we will click on the title of the current top category to display more options, and we will choose Live Archive. Finally, we can see the saved live shows we have. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.